Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up your navigation menu and also how to add in that missing shop link that we kind of covered briefly under the importer. So the first thing we're going to want to do is go under Appearance and Menus. And let's go and open the site in a new tab. And the reason for this is so we can tab back and forth to see changes. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by creating a completely new menu. That way you can see how things work from scratch. So if we click Create New Menu, we can just call this Tutorial Example Menu. We're going to click Create Menu, and we can add a couple pages to it, like so. And if we click Save, the next step we need to do is tell our theme to use this menu. And to do that, you're going to want to select under Menu Settings down here which menu you want it to use. So for the main one, it's pretty easy. It's just primary. So let's click on that and click Save. And when you refresh the page, you'll see our new menu right here with our 3 pages that we added. And you'll see that Shop is one of them since we ran through that example. So you can do all sorts of stuff. You can just drag and drop them to reorder them. You can remove them or see more options by clicking this down arrow right here. So that would be removing, etc. So let's go ahead and replicate the live preview and show you how to do a drop down. So we'll do a drop down under Shop, which in the live preview is My Account, Checkout, and Cart. So to do a drop down is pretty easy. You're just going to drag the item obviously underneath, and if you move slightly to the right, you'll see it snap and indent. You see how it kind of snaps over? So now these 3 are in a sub menu under Shop. So if we save that and we view it, you'll be able to see we have Home and then Shop and then My Account, Cart, Checkout. And you can add cool icons as well to any of these. And to do that, you just click on this down arrow. And if you click on Font Awesome List, you'll get a list of all the icons. So it's pretty cool. You have tons of icons. And so you can search them or just pick any of them. I think in the live preview we're using this circle. Yeah. So if you type in user-circle, sorry, I clicked on that. So if you type in user-circle, you'll get that icon. So again, user-circle, click Save. We'll refresh the page and you'll see we've added that user circle icon. And let's go ahead and do one for the cart. So there's tons of cart icons as well. Let's just do shopping-cart for cart. So shopping-cart. Refresh, and you'll see we have our icons set up. And you can add icons, you can remove icons, you can add them even up to the top level area as well. It's pretty darn easy to do that. And then the last thing I wanted to go over was this navigation in your footer. And to switch between navigation menus is pretty easy. You just select the menu to edit. So for instance, the footer navigation, if you want to edit that, you'll select that and you can edit those pages the same way. And if you don't want any of these footer navigations down here at all, if you want to remove that completely, you can just remove all those items or deselect it from the location. So that's going to cover how to create menus, use new ones, create existing ones, add drop downs, and etc.